Tyler, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
It's okay. Be careful once you take that Vicodin because you're going to be out cold and you might get dizzy and everything with it.
Well, I don't want to because then I might not wake up in the morning.
Oh, you'll wake up.
Bye.
Why do you have to wake up in the morning? There's no kid there.
Tyler, Tyler, what you doing?
Why?
What you doing, Tyler?
You can rest until you go to work.
Around him.
There until the afternoon.
Push him around.
So take a nap.
Push him this way.
I don't know. You get a shot at it, I guess.
What time do you want him?
I don't care.
Sometime like late afternoon?
Like what's that?
He's
Wait a minute.
gonna get dizzy going
He's going to
backwards.
get dizzy.
Don't
Yeah.
do that, he'll throw up.
He's going to get dizzy.
But he says it.
Yeah, but